We have two little lambs over here. They're very cute. Eating. And there's their mom. Don't worry, we're not going to go too close, okay? And we're going to respect your distance. You have two cute lambs. They're so adorable. I love how sheep. Oh, and there we go. There's this one walking. Oh my god, they're so cute. There's a bunch of sheep over here.
Maybe they're coming because they think we have food.
I don't think. Do they do that?
Sometimes. Sheep are dumb.
Yeah.
Look, they're coming.
Oh, they are. Oh, okay. I admire a lot their climbing abilities. Look at those tiny legs. It's like, oh, and she's eating some really nice leaves. Oh my god, you're so cute. So cute. Hello. And there's sheep of different colors too. It's really cool. There's some silver ones. I wonder what those birds are in the distance. The ones going beep. Okay, I think there's plovers down there. They're going beep, beep. Can't see with my camera, but there's a few extra sheep down there. Lots of sheep around. And they, yeah, the little sheep we saw earlier this way. And there's Nicole. Hi, Nicole. Have a good day, sheep.